Hi, I'm Justin Newcombe from the Get Growing Roadshow, and today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your garden and plants with Yates.
The lawn here is lacking lusciousness and has been overtaken by weeds. It could really use some care.
For a lush green lawn, like any other plant in your garden, feeding is essential. I'm using a great feed here that will nourish Marjorie's lawn and kill the weeds at the same time.
With granular feed, you want to spread them in the evening when it's cool and then water them in. Well, a great tip this summer for keeping your lawn in top condition is to mow it a little bit longer. Set your lawnmower a little bit higher so it doesn't scalp the grass and damage it. Something else you can do is use this, weed and feed liquid.
Just click your hose onto the bottle and it automatically mixes with water.
It contains nitrogen and iron to promote a lush, deep green lawn, phosphorus to promote strong root development, and potassium for disease resistance.
And it's perfect for larger areas.
You can explore the Yates website for further how-to and problem-solver solutions.